Hello friends, welcome to Soomro Academy. Our today's lesson is lesson number 6, common noun. Viewers, first of all, we will look at the definition of common noun and then see some examples to understand common noun. Let's start our lesson. Common noun. A common noun is a name given in common to every person, place of the same kind or class, or a common noun names any one of group of persons, places or things. These are the two definitions of common noun. We look at the examples in common noun. Joseph was a king. Julia is a girl. James is a boy. Berlin is a city. Germany is a country. You are a teacher. She is a woman. I am a student. This is a fan. That is a wall clock. Viewers, in these sentences, girl, boy, city, country, teacher, woman, student, fan, and wall clock are all examples of common noun. Because when two or three boys are standing there, all are boys, and the word boy is used for all boys. That's why boy is a common noun. If there is more than two or three girls, then they are common nouns. Teacher, 10 people, 10 teachers are there in the room. They are all teachers. So common noun is given to name each and everybody of that class. Remember, all common nouns are written with small letters. When it is in the middle of a sentence, if a sentence starts with a common noun, then you have to use capital letter. The purpose of these points is that all common nouns are written with small letters as king, girl, boy, city, country. These are common nouns, and they are at the end of the sentence. So we will write it with small letters because common nouns are written with small letters. So therefore you should remember that all common nouns are written with small letters when it is in the middle of a sentence. If a sentence starts with a common noun, then you have to use capital letters. Hope you understand my points by this lesson. Thanks for watching. See you in next lesson.